What if you showed up to work in 2030 and half your office was just gone? Not downsized, not outsourced, replaced by software that works 24/7, never asks for a raise, and does sound like sci-fi. Goldman Sachs says it could affect 300 million jobs worldwide. We're not talking about robots on factory floors. We're talking about your lawyer, your accountant, your junior analyst, your customer support rep. AI is already drafting contracts, reading X-rays, writing code, and filing tax returns. The jobs most at risk? Anything repetitive, document-heavy, or data-driven. That's a huge chunk of the modern economy. But here's where it gets interesting. Every major tech shift in history, the printing press, electricity, the internet, destroyed jobs and created entirely new ones nobody predicted. The question isn't just what disappears, it's what gets born. AI trainers, ethics auditors, human-AI collaboration specialists. Roles that don't even have names yet. The real danger isn't that AI takes your job overnight. It's the speed. Societies need decades to retrain workforces. If this happens in 6 years, governments, schools, and companies aren't ready. The gap between those who adapt and those who don't could be the defining inequality of our generation. So threat or opportunity? Probably both. The people who win won't be the ones who fear AI. They'll be the ones who learn to work with it before everyone else does. Drop your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more.